So friends, I want to talk to you briefly about the use of multiple timelines, and this in the context of a possible film project. If you are in the edit page here, you could just here click in the media pool and then Control N. And let's call that first timeline scene 1. And then Control N, create another one, scene 2. Let's be bold and Control N, scene 3. And then Control N, another timeline, and let's call that final movie. Just bear with me. So we double click on this one. Let me close the inspector and put our, let's say, the speech scene. We do several modifications to that. I'm not doing that now, but let's say we work on that scene. It's now in timeline scene 1, as you can see. So we go to scene 2, and there we go, and let's place this boat footage. Let's say we do some effects, work a lot on it, so that you have a very wild timeline with all the cuts and what have you. And then we go to scene 3, and let's throw on the dancing and another dancing scene. And they are in scene 3. What we now can do is we go to our timeline final movie, and here we can drop our timelines, our scenes, as we created them into that final timeline, final movie. And then we can work on the separate timelines as if we would work on separate projects. You ask yourself probably if this would be the way that I actually work on a movie, and I have to say that it would depend on the material. So I work a lot with Blackmagic RAW files. They are very large, and I actually go and have a more complex workflow when I'm going and work on a feature film, for example. But for a short film, yeah, however you feel comfortable, I think this is a great way to go. So go ahead and experiment with that. And have fun with the rest of this playlist. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for all your support. And goodbye.